JunkFoodTaster.com. And here we go, my brew friends. It's time for a very big McDonald's special. And yeah, I've bought all 5 different meat types from McDonald's. So I've got the McRib, the Filet-o-Fish, the Hamburger Royal TS, then McCrispy. Here we go. And in this bag, first time I'm getting 2 bags, the McPlant. So all 5 patty variants which are available. I hope I didn't forget anything. This is a follow-up video, so thank you all for voting. So we got a record number of voters, 1,377 of you have voted, thank you very much. And McDonald's have won the voting by 64%. Alrighty, so I will also tell you the prices. But first of all, I think I open up the boxes. Basically, it's about which meat option is the best. I like in the packaging, then all the packaging. Oh, so this is kind of small, the Filet-o-Fish. I don't know what to do here. I need to get rid of this here. So here you go, McPlant. Yeah, it was very expensive, so high production cost of this video. I hope you appreciate, and I make a nice nice overview of the burger. So let's talk prices first. So McPlant is €5.19. I think this is McPlant, yes. Then the McCrispy is the most expensive one, McCrispy Homestyle. This is this here. This is $6.99. Yeah. So then the Hamburger Royal TS, one of my favorite burgers, is very expensive, $5.99. Yeah, we got inflation. And the McRib is $5.79. So McRib, if you don't know it, this is a pork meat, and Filet-o-Fish is $5.19. And I'm thinking, it's kind of small. I'm not quite sure which one I start. I want to sort of disassemble them, not cut today, but that we see the whole patty. And I guess I get a piece of baking paper. Alrighty. So I think I will cut in the end for fun reasons, but yeah. This is very small for the price here. Filet-o-Fish, disappointing. Then this. Here we go. McPlant. McPlant feels heavy. Okay, McRib. I put here. And now the chicken homestyle. Okay. I think I have to get rid of this post-it or whatever this is called. So now we have the disassembly of the burgers, my friends. So Filet-o-Fish first. So we got a square patty. Interesting. And it has a coating. Now the Hamburger TS got this patty. Here we go. Then McPlant got this. Then McRib got this patty. What's the best way to show the patty here? I think this. And the chicken stuff looks like this. Here we go. Yeah. So, and I guess let's start to check it out. There we go. Let's cut the fish. Let's eat some fish. Okay. I think the Filet-o-Fish is priced too high. It's a very small burger. Yeah, how much was it? McCrispy, okay. So $5.90 for a burger, which is I think a little bit bigger than a cheeseburger. It's not okay, and we consider that the TS, which is very much bigger, is just 80 cents more expensive. Much tastier. Yeah. Now let's check out this. Oh, so oh, this is super tasty. Now let's check out the meat replacement thing. We could also make like now direct comparison, side by side. Okay. Yeah, this looks more waterish, doesn't it? Let's eat this here. Okay. Now this tastes like a slice of bread. When you eat it, it gets more meshy. Okay. Now pork. So, yeah. Always cut stuff. As you can see, the pork is a little lighter. Here the beef is more brownish than the pork. Let's eat it with gherkins. Yeah. Barbecue vibes. But not too much. So the sauce is not really smoky. Anyways, and here comes the last one, chicken. And I think this is some sort of fillet. Very nice. Let's have this fillet. Okay, it feels kind of soft. It's not so. What's cool is not so salty than KFC. Okay. This is the rest of the water. Look at this. Let's eat here a little bit. Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise tastes good. So now maybe the rating. So, oh, I'm sweating. Before I do the rating, let's flush a little bit. Yeah. And I'm taking Ulo duck, which is totally not available in McDonald's. Okay. So the best is this good old meat. Yeah, the way it's meant to be. So do you know the story behind the hamburger? I'll tell you a story. For some reason, in New York, they imported beef from Germany. And it came from Hamburg in cooled chips. And out of this meat, someone decided to make this sandwich with this hamburger meat. I call it hamburger. Yeah. And of course, I think nobody imports beef from Germany anymore. But for some reason, which I'm not aware of, they imported meat from Germany to the USA. Anyways, yeah, this is the best. So second, I would say here McRib. Yeah, it has its purpose. It's a nice variety. Feels a little bit more like lunch in the canteen, I have to say this. But yeah, you can definitely feel the difference in the taste. So third place I would give to the chicken. Actually, there's like chicken nuggets also replaced. So, but I think there isn't a replacement for a burger on a chicken. Nah. Yeah, McDonald's is very much mainstream, nothing too exciting. But yeah, does its job. Maybe also a lot of products are designed for children that are not too spicy and stuff. Then the fourth place is this fish. Yeah, so yeah, it's also very much different than the others. And the last place is definitely the meat replacement. Yeah, go for the nuggets. So if you want to eat vegan stuff in the McDonald's, just buy the nugget. The burger patty is not working. Okay. So this was an expensive episode. I spent over 30 euros for this. Yeah. Well, at 29.50. Just to show you the different meat types. Okay. Alright, so I eat a little bit. And then we do the logbook thing. I would say 5 burgers is too much. But yeah. It's close. I would say 4 burgers at once you can eat. Yeah, ketchup. This is just ketchup with mayonnaise. Some salad also tastes good, of course. I think there's some mustard on as well. Okay, see how the next voting goes. Yesterday was this sort of oven cooking episode. Maybe this one got a chance against McDonald's. If not, maybe I do the Happy Meal. I'm not quite sure. There was like Pokemon cards or something. Maybe they are still available next week. I don't know. Okay,